Are you looking for the best electric pressure cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best electric pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. If you've ever read a pressure cooker guide, you've probably seen the Instant Pot Duo mentioned first, and for good reason. It's the model that made the brand famous. I've owned mine for almost 4 years, and it still works like day one. When I tested it again recently, I made a full pot of chili from scratch, dry beans, ground beef, tomatoes, and spices, in 45 minutes flat. Normally that takes me 2 hours on the stove. The flavor was deep, the beans soft but not mushy, and the cleanup was minimal. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean. I've scrubbed it hundreds of times, and it hasn't warped or discolored. I also appreciate that there's no non-stick coating, you can use metal spoons without worrying. The control panel is simple and intuitive. There are no fancy screens or scrolling menus, just clear labeled buttons, soup, rice, meat/stew, and so on. You can tweak the pressure and time easily. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo Plus remains the best-selling multi-cooker in America for a reason. It's intuitive, dependable, and does exactly what it promises, every single time. It pressure cooks, slow cooks, steams, makes yogurt, sautés, and keeps food warm automatically. What makes it stand out is consistency, no burned rice, no overcooked chicken, and no guesswork. While the Duo Plus is reliable, its manual steam release is loud and requires you to flick a switch near the vent. If you are steam shy, consider a model with an automatic, hands-free release. Tip: if you use the slow cook setting on an Instant Pot, you usually need to use the high setting to match the low setting of a traditional ceramic crockpot. Number 3. Zavor LUX LCD 8-quart multi-cooker. The Zavor LUX LCD feels like a premium appliance. It can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and even make desserts, and it's built like a tank. This one's perfect for meal preppers or anyone cooking for 5+ people. If the Zavor LUX feels familiar to pro cooks, that's because Zavor is the successor to Fager, the brand long favored by America's test kitchen for its stovetop performance. While the Instant Pot is built for convenience, the Zavor is built for precision, offering finer pressure control that mimics a traditional stovetop unit. Number 4. COSORI 6QT Electric Pressure Cooker. The COSORI earns its spot at the budget end of this list by doing the fundamentals correctly. It hits the 1000 W threshold for a 6-quart body, uses a stainless steel inner pot rather than thin aluminum, and has adequate replacement parts availability, the 3 specs that actually determine whether a budget cooker lasts. What it doesn't have is the pressure consistency refinement of the Instant Pot or the speed of the Zavor. In my testing, pressure build time ran about 10 to 11 minutes for a standard 6-quart load, slightly longer than the Duo Plus at 9.5 minutes. Rice came out well. Chili was consistent. Sauté mode showed slightly more hotspot tendency than the premium models, which means deglaze discipline matters more here before sealing. The practical trade-off: you save $10 to $20 over the base Instant Pot Duo, and you give up some pressure consistency and brand ecosystem depth. If replacement parts are your primary concern, the Instant Pot's parts network is still deeper.